What is the difference between revenue, income, and investment? In this video, I'm going to let you know what is revenue, what is income, what is investment. This will help us to know in our subsequent videos to understand financial freedom. Now, revenue is the money you get at the end of the month. Let's say you are working as a working class, and at the end of the month, there's money you take home, we call take home pay. Your take home pay is what is known as revenue. Now, your income is what you get after you have consumed what you need in that particular month. So, after you have done all your expenses at the end of that month, what is left is what we call income. Now, what is investment? Investment is what you get. For example, if you have a business you are doing, and then your business grew to a particular point that you now start making money, you start getting money to a particular point, you can say, yes, I have arrived. In that point, the income you get from that business is what you invest. The investment is done when your money have grown, when you have gotten enough income, then you cannot invest. And what do you invest? You can invest in any investment company, you can invest in other people's business, and you can invest in real estate. So investment is putting your money in a business to get more income. That is what we call business. So for you to invest, you must increase your income. And how do you increase your income? By increasing your revenue. So for you to increase your income, you have to increase your revenue. And if your income is increased, the next thing you do is to invest. So if you cannot invest, you cannot be financially free. So what makes you to be financially free is when you have enough investment. Now, don't forget that starting a job is your starting point. If you have nothing doing, you have no job doing, know that starting a job is the first thing you need to do to start a job. If you're doing nothing now, you have to start a job. Now, when you start a job, then you need to know how much is your revenue. Then you need to know how much is your income. When you start a job, and after some years, when you have been able to increase your income, then you can think of opening a business. You can start a business. When you are working as a staff in any company or in any place, don't put your mind in that particular job that you are going to work there forever. No. For you to be financially free, you need to plan. You need to find a way to increase your income. And from that income, you will now start a little business. Start a little business first. When you start a little business, then you will now think of how to grow the business. When the business grow to a point, then you can now think of how to invest. What you need to do is to pick up a paper and a pen. Write down your revenue, write down your income, so that you can be able to know how much income you make at the end of the month. When you know your revenue is the money you get at the end of the month. So you write them down. All that gives you money, write it in one page. Pick up a sheet, divide it into two, write your revenue one side. What gives you money is your revenue at the end of the month. Then you write your income, how much the remains after your expenses. Then you also need to write another one, your expenses. Get also another sheet of paper, write your expenses, so that you'll be able to know what gives you money at the end of the month and how much you consume at the end of the month, which is your income. So how much you consume, when you consume at the end of the month, the remaining is what you call income. Then you should be able to know how much expenses you do at the end of the month, so that if your income is not growing, you can reduce your expenses so that your income can grow. Except your income grows, you cannot attain financial freedom. Financial freedom has to do when your income grows. So if you are the type that you get your revenue and you do your expenses, and at the end of the month you have no income remain, you have no income left with you, then know that you are not on the way to your financial freedom. Because when your income grows, that is when you are sure that you are on your way to your financial freedom. So knowing your expenses, your revenue, and your income is very important for you to achieve financial freedom. Now, another thing you should know is, what are those things that reduces your income? What are those things that reduce your income? You need to work on them. In my subsequent video, I will treat how you can reduce those things, how you can reduce your expenses so that your income can grow. So those things that reduce your income is what you need to work on for you to attain financial freedom. You need to work on them. For example, what kind of video do you watch? You know, anytime you pick your smartphone and you're watching a video, of course data is going, your expenses is being carried out, your money is going. So what kind of video do you watch today? Do you watch videos that improve you, videos that lure you into financial freedom, or you watch video just for fun, or just waste your time in the smartphone watching video? Today I want to encourage you to watch my videos. If you really want to attain financial freedom, watch my videos. Follow me. If you are watching me on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. If you are watching me in Facebook, follow me. If you are watching me in TikTok, follow me. Use your data and watch videos that will improve you, videos that can gear you to your way to your financial freedom. Remember, if you are not financial free, you are financially enslaved. You want to remain a slave? For me, I have chosen not to be a slave. You can follow me in my teachings. We will grow together. At the end of the day, you will be grateful that you have attained financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom is not one day journey. It is a journey. We are all moving. But one day you will rejoice. Yes, you have attained financial freedom. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.
Is this your first time visiting my channel? Please like, click on the red subscribe button and the bell close to it. Subscription is free. Thank you.